Secrets of the Taj Mahal you didn't know. The Taj Mahal, often celebrated as the world's greatest symbol of love, hides many fascinating secrets beyond its beauty. Here are some incredible facts you probably didn't know. 1. The color-changing marble. The Taj Mahal's marble isn't just white, it changes color throughout the day. At sunrise, it glows soft pink. By midday, it becomes bright white, and under the moonlight, it appears golden. While this symbolizes the changing moods of love and is a marvel of design and perception. The unfinished Black Taj Mahal. Legend has it that Shah Jahan wanted to build a Black Taj Mahal directly opposite the white one across the Yamuna River to serve as his own tomb. While excavations suggest the presence of black marble foundations, the plan was never completed after he was imprisoned by his son Aurangzeb. 3. The leaning minarets. If you look closely, the 4 minarets surrounding the Taj Mahal lean slightly outward. This was a clever architectural trick so that if they ever collapsed due to earthquakes or other disasters, they would fall away from the main tomb, protecting it from damage. 4. Hidden gemstones in the marble. The stunning inlay work on the Taj Mahal's walls uses over 28 types of precious and semi-precious stones from across the world. These include lapis lazuli from Afghanistan, jade from China, and turquoise from Tibet. Sadly, many of these stones were plundered during invasions over the centuries. Hack 5. The imperfect symmetry. The entire Taj Mahal complex is perfectly symmetrical, except for one detail: Shah Jahan's tomb. His tomb was added later beside Mumtaz's and breaks the perfect symmetry. Some believe this imperfection symbolizes that only divine creations are perfect and man-made structures are not. Nas 6. The myth of the architect's hands. There's a myth that after completing the Taj Mahal, Shah Jahan ordered that the chief architect's hands be cut off so he could never recreate such beauty. There's no historical evidence to support this, but the legend persists, adding to the Taj Mahal's mystery. The echo chamber effect. Inside the main dome, if you speak softly, your voice echoes multiple times. This feature was intentionally designed to create a spiritual, divine resonance inside the mausoleum. Conclusion. The Taj Mahal is more than a monument. It's a masterpiece of art, design, and deep symbolism. Its secrets make it even more magical and a must-visit for every traveler. Which secret fascinated you the most? Let me know in the comments.